Unlocking the ultimate mystery. The meaning of life explored. The question of the meaning of life is one that has captivated humanity for centuries. From ancient philosophers and religious leaders to modern-day scientists and thinkers, the search for understanding our purpose in the world is one that has been explored in countless ways. In this video, we will delve deeper into the history and perspectives of this ultimate mystery and see how it has been approached throughout time. We'll examine the different beliefs, theories, and scientific findings that have been proposed over the centuries and explore the various religious, spiritual, and secular viewpoints on the meaning of life. Are you ready to unlock the ultimate mystery of the meaning of life? Let's explore it together. The history of this mystery. The ancient Egyptians, Greeks, and Romans were some of the first to ponder the question of life's meaning. The ancient Egyptians believed in an afterlife where they would be judged by the gods, while the Greeks saw the ultimate goal of life was the pursuit of wisdom and the attainment of a virtuous and fulfilled life. The philosopher Aristotle believed that the ultimate goal of life was the attainment of eudaimonia, or human flourishing. On the other hand, Eastern spiritual traditions like Buddhism and Hinduism emphasized the importance of inner wisdom and self-knowledge. Through the centuries, religious and spiritual leaders like Jesus, Mohammed, and the Buddha all tackled this question in their teachings. Fast forward to the present day, we see how science and technology has changed the way we think about the meaning of life. From evolutionary biology to neuroscience, the quest to understand our place in the world is ongoing, and scientists are still proposing new theories and models to understand this ultimate mystery. The different perspectives on the meaning of life. Different religious and spiritual traditions approach the question of life's meaning in different ways. Christianity sees the meaning of life as being tied to the idea of salvation and a belief in an afterlife, while Buddhism focuses on the attainment of enlightenment and the attainment of nirvana. On the other hand, secular perspectives like humanism see the meaning of life as being rooted in the here and now, emphasizing the importance of human experience and happiness in this lifetime. Humanists argue that the purpose of life is to find happiness and to live in a way that maximizes the well-being of oneself and others. They see the meaning of life as something that we create through our values, goals, and aspirations. The scientific and psychological approaches to understanding the meaning of life. The study of evolutionary biology offers us some insight into our place in the natural world. The concept of Darwin's survival of the fittest and the role of our genes in shaping our behaviors can help us understand our purpose in the grand scheme of things. Recent findings in neuroscience and psychology give us more insight into how we find meaning and purpose in our lives. The study of the brain and behavior can explain how our brain's reward system and sense of self can influence the way we create meaning in our lives. And the new field of neurophilosophy examines the implications of scientific discoveries for traditional philosophical questions like meaning of life. The ways in which individuals find meaning in their own lives. Finding meaning in one's life is a deeply personal process. It can come from a wide variety of sources, whether it be pursuing a passion, serving others, or committing to a cause one believes in. Additionally, many people find meaning through their relationships, by raising a family, or finding community. The important thing is that each individual must discover for themselves what gives their life meaning and purpose. Some people find it through career success, others through spiritual pursuits, and still others through simply enjoying the beauty and pleasures of life. It's also important to note that the meaning of life is not fixed or constant. It can change and evolve over time as individuals grow and their circumstances change. Conclusion. In conclusion, the question of the meaning of life is one that has captivated humanity for centuries. From ancient philosophers to modern scientists, we have explored this question in countless ways, but the ultimate truth of our existence may never be fully understood. However, what we do know is that we each have the power to find meaning and purpose in our lives. The meaning of life is something that each individual must discover for themselves, and it's a journey that never truly ends. It's important to remember that there's no single right answer to this question, and everyone's path to finding meaning and and purpose will be unique. It's important to take the time to reflect on our own lives, our values, and our aspirations to find what truly makes us happy and fulfilled. And if you're interested in diving deeper into this topic, check out these books mentioned in this video description. And don't hesitate to share your thoughts and ideas on the meaning of life in the comments below.